Lendan introduces the first professional prebiotic product line that prepares, repairs, and protects the skin, making cabin work a genuine ritual of well-being and balance. In addition to the prebiotic active ingredients, Essential Reload is formulated with aloe vera and other highly soothing and moisturizing ingredients, some of which are naturally present in the epidermis as part of the skin's natural moisturizing factor. Every product in the line has been created with ingredients selected for their effectiveness and innocuousness, suitable for all skin types and especially designed for sensitive skin. Before commencing the treatment, we make our client comfortable and use gliding strokes and pressure to immerse them in an atmosphere of relaxation and well-being. The initial stage of the treatment is based on the diagnosis, which the professional uses to select the ideal product to prepare the skin according to its needs. The Essential Reload cleansers balance and protect the integrity of the skin's natural barrier without the need for any additional conditioning agents. These are designed to work on the whole facial area, either individually or combined to expedite cabin work as shown below. We begin facial hygiene by removing makeup from eyes and lips with the prebiotic micellar water. This oil aqueous micellar system cleanses, soothes, and conditions the face in a single step without the need to rinse. Its innovative moisturizing and decongestant formula provides maximum comfort and softness to all skin types, especially the most sensitive and delicate. We then proceed to the application of the prebiotic micellar oil in the neckline, neck, and face. In contact with water, its advanced oil-to-cream technology turns it into a delicate emulsion capable of removing makeup and cleansing skin thoroughly without depleting hydration, and simultaneously avoiding any sensation of tightness after rinsing. This exceptional oil, formulated with light emollients such as squalane and salvia hispanica, acts as an extraordinary protector, which enables the skin to recover its natural condition and flexibility, making it ideal for devitalized and dry skin. Next, we apply the dual-action prebiotic enzymatic exfoliant. Its combination of biodegradable cellulose particles with a bioenzyme frees the skin from impurities and toxins, while renewing the outer layers of the epidermis in a non-aggressive way, similar to that of natural skin renewal. Its creamy, light, and soft texture allows its use on all skin types, even the most sensitive and delicate. It is an excellent treatment for dry and alopic skin, peeling away built-up dead skin cells and restoring vitality. On oily skins, a soft facial brush is recommended to achieve deeper cleansing and minimize the size and accumulation of comedones. On more sensitive, damaged, and fragile skins, we minimize movements to avoid physical exfoliation and leave only the bioenzymatic exfoliant to act for more delicate and gentle renewal. Result: the face is clean, with a velvety feel and ready to receive the next cosmetic products in the treatment process. Unlike other rituals, Essential Reload processes renewal of cabin protocol with the application of the mask at the beginning of the treatment. This is a prebiotic, gel-textured face, neck, and décolleté mask with soothing and anti-inflammatory ingredients such as avenithromyde. Active ingredients with moisturizing and repairing properties that offer a pleasant sensation of freshness and relaxation, eliminating possible discomfort after the renewal process. We use a brush to apply a thin layer and leave it to work for 10 to 15 minutes. Thanks to its composition, this mask is suitable for any treatment, and it prepares the skin and facilitates the absorption of active ingredients from any facial treatment line. Once the exposure time is over, we remove it with water. Result: soothed, moisturized, and soft skin. We then apply the prebiotic booster, an innovative concentrate of active ingredients with a fluid, fresh, and silky texture. Its high concentration of prebiotics boosts and stimulates the process of skin renewal. It repairs, nourishes, and restores the epidermal barrier, strengthening and ensuring its correct balance. Its exclusive combination of moisturizing and decongestant active ingredients such as aloe vera provides deep moisturization and immediate relief for even the most sensitive skin, increasing its resistance to external aggressions. To finish the treatment, we apply the Prebiotic Daily Cream, a non-oily, rapidly absorbed emulsion suitable for all skin types. A genuine treatment cream based on prebiotics and HydraSkin 24, a complex of moisturizing active ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and allantoin, which reinforce the skin's natural defense system and provide prolonged hydration. At the same time, it combats disorders such as inflammaging, a non-visible microinflammation, which causes premature aging and predominantly affects sensitive skin. Essential Reload Prebiotic Cream minimizes the negative effects of solar radiation thanks to its broad-spectrum protection factor and innovative blue light protection system. We carry out a series of relaxing maneuvers using essential massage, an innovative fusion between traditional relaxation techniques and Chinese Tuina massage. Its main objective is to eliminate built-up tension, improving facial health and harmony to achieve maximum skin purity. The result of the Essential Reload ritual is younger, intensely moisturized, balanced, and resistant skin, able to protect itself from day-to-day aggressions. Essential Reload, the prebiotic recharge that balances the skin.